The future of drone tech, it looks promising for many things, deliveries, agriculture, medical aid, just to name a few. But there's also a dark side to drone tech, which experts warn could disrupt our everyday lives.
The drone issue, that was a known issue by the FAA 25 years ago. Yet today, they will still tell you that they can't do anything. They can't, we don't know what to do. Okay, 25 years later, guys, at what point do we demand as a society that our government does what they're supposed to do?
Remember 9/11 when terrorists used conventional hardware like aircraft in unconventional ways to create devastation? Well, a new white paper on drone use by bad actors points out some frightening scenarios. Authored by Dr. Hans Baum, a noted autonomous systems expert, it warns the next generation of drone concern will come from hobby shops and garages when drones are tasked to do terrifying things by people who intentionally misuse the technology. You think that a hobby drone can't do something like that? Well, look no further than the Ukrainian drone attack against Russia recently, where they used 117 hobbyist drones and modified them to destroy Russian bombers. That showed that defeating a swarm of modified commercial drones is going to be tough.
How are you going to stop all those? How do you even have the ability to track all of those? You don't.
5G technology, which makes our handheld devices work so efficiently, can now be harnessed by drones to create mini weapons of mass destruction. Here's what they do. They use artificial intelligence and its machine learning capacities to transmit data via 5G back and forth to the bad guys. How concerned are you about them using artificial intelligence in a drone?
They are using artificial intelligence in a very small way right now. Looking at the idea of terrain following or understanding the terrain. When we get to the point where we integrate a stack, you have air vehicles, ground vehicles, sea vehicles, underwater vehicles, humanoids, cyber, exoskeletons. When you take all of those and you start combining them and integrating them, and they are allowed to goal seek, then the answer is you're probably not going to be able to stop them.
Enhanced anti-drone systems are being developed to protect sensitive areas like airports and government buildings. And military leaders are trying to impose guidelines on that technology. But let's face it, the bad actors don't care about that. They're going to do what they want. Quite simply, our laws are lagging way behind.
I would have liked to thought years ago, as I would have liked to think today, that the governments of the world would be ready with policies, laws, governance, and leadership. I don't think that's going to happen. Right now, the world is rushing headlong into this technology with little understanding about how it affects us or humanity. Experts warn this is the time to pump the brakes. Working for you, I'm the consumer guy, Steve Frazier.